Max Sign-Up Guide. Max, formerly known as HBO Max, offers multiple ways to sign up for a subscription, allowing users to stream a vast collection of movies, TV shows, and original content. 1. Overview of Max sign-up options. Users can sign up for Max through its official website, mobile apps, streaming devices, or TV providers. Subscription plans vary based on features like ad-free streaming and 4K resolution. 2 steps to sign up for Max. To create an account and start streaming Max, follow these steps. Step 1. Visit the official Max website or open the Max app on a supported device. Step 2. Click on Sign Up Now or Subscribe to begin the process. Step 3. Select a subscription plan. With Ads Plan, $9.99 per month. Ad-free plan, $16.99 per month. Ultimate ad-free plan, $20.99 per month. Step 4. Enter an email address and create a password for your account. Step 5. Provide payment details, credit debit card, PayPal, or other available payment methods. Step 6. Confirm your subscription and complete the sign-up process. Step 7. Start streaming Max content on your preferred device. 3. Signing up through a TV provider. Users who receive Max through a cable or satellite provider can activate their account by visiting the Max website and selecting Sign In with a provider, choosing their TV provider and logging in with their provider credentials, linking their Max account to start streaming. 4. Signing up through streaming services. Max is also available as an add-on subscription through platforms like Amazon Prime Video channels, Hulu, YouTube TV, Apple TV channels. Users can subscribe through these services and access Max directly from their streaming app. 5. Choosing the right plan. With Ads Plan. Best for budget-conscious users who don't mind occasional advertisements. Ad-free plan. Ideal for those who prefer uninterrupted streaming and offline downloads. Ultimate ad-free plan. Recommended for viewers who want 4K UHD, Dolby Atmos, and more simultaneous streams. 6. Free trial availability. Max occasionally offers free trials through third-party providers like Amazon Prime Video channels. However, a direct free trial is not currently available. 7. Managing subscription and cancellation. Users can manage their subscription, switch plans, or cancel their membership anytime through the Max account settings on the website or app. 8. Device compatibility. Max is accessible on various devices including smart TVs, Samsung, LG, Vizio, etc. Streaming devices. Roku, Fire TV, Apple TV, game consoles, PlayStation, Xbox, mobile devices, iOS and Android, web browsers, Chrome, Safari, Edge. In conclusion, signing up for Max is a straightforward process with multiple options for direct subscriptions, provider logins, and streaming add-ons. Users can choose the plan that fits their needs and start streaming instantly.